Hello Crunchers, ElephantCrunch here. We are back in Empyrion Galactic Survival. We are doing a spotlight of the workshop on Steam of people's craziest creations and very innovative. Let's light it up. Look at that, guys. Oh, how cool that is. Now the guy that made this, or girl, is called Steph, S-T-E-P-H, and it's called the Gumball machine, as you can probably see if I go a little further away. So cool. Now it proves like you don't need to build stuff in Empyrion that is just functional. You can do it functional and fun. I love this building. Alright, let's go inside. Oh my god, look at this thing. Gonna remove guard mode so you'll see like how it actually works when you walk around. So we have a little bit here, like a little desk, some art, love that. Little plants to make it more homey. We have a little like farm with alien plants and all the good stuff that you need to survive in space. Very functional, very nice. A little lounge area. I don't mind at all. Very creative way of using the blocks as a table. I like that. A little TV so you can like chill, see some Netflix in space. And there's some cargo boxes, constructor. And let's go up and check it. Here we have all the functional stuff, just the minimum of survival, some healing, all that stuff. Nothing special, but just enough to get you going, which is really nice. So there's not too much to it, other than it is just a lot of fun. Alright, so as we always do in our review of people's creation, see how doable it is. So I'm gonna activate guard mode so I can fly, and we're gonna add some explosions. See how tough this building is. So I'll have 8 seconds. Ooh. Here we go. Oh, we have one hole and we have a breach. Alright. Let's see how tough the entrance is. Let's see. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Alright, and we are in. So 3 explosions and we are in the base. Last test is our minigun. Let's see how that holds up. Let's jump in. We're in. Let's reload. Let's fire some bullets. Alright, so the glass has taken damage already. These ones hasn't. Let's see how fast it goes. I can take a good amount of shots. It will degrade fast after the glass. Now the walls are super durable. Like, look at that. I'm just shooting the same spot. Yeah, that is very. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, so clearly it's very powerful. Pretty good. Strong. Oh, don't blow my ship up. And it's just a lot of fun. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like below, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, guys and girls.